Good evening, my friends. I want to ask you a serious question. What have you given up on? That deep desire you buried with grief, the healing you stopped believing in, the relationship you stopped imagining, the freedom you decided was for other people. Hold that desire. Don't look away. Tonight, I'm going to show you that the only thing between you and that desire is one word: impossible. Impossible is not a fact. It is a state of consciousness. From your current assumptions, it looks impossible, but shift your consciousness and the impossible becomes inevitable. Consciousness does not know the word impossible. It only knows this: what you assume, you experience. Assume limitation, and you get limitation. Assume fulfillment with deep conviction, and fulfillment must appear. A mother whose son had been missing for 3 years. Police closed the case. Everyone told her to accept he was gone. I told her to assume he was alive and coming home. Every night she imagined hearing his key, feeling his hug, and talking with him. 6 weeks later, her son came home. Another man was told he would never walk again. 2 years in a wheelchair. Doctors said permanent. Every night he felt himself walking, the ground under his feet, the freedom in his body. 8 months later, he walked. Most people fail because they try to manifest the impossible while still living in the consciousness of impossibility. They visualize, but underneath they think, this probably won't work. My situation is different. Consciousness doesn't follow your pictures. It follows your assumption. You cannot manifest the impossible while remaining the person who believes it is impossible. You must become the version of you for whom it is already done. Every night before sleep, enter the state akin to sleep. Create one short, vivid scene that implies your desire is already fulfilled. Make it real. See it, feel it, live inside it. Fall asleep in that reality. During the day, carry the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Walk as that person. Speak as that person. Think from that person. This is not pretending, this is becoming. The old self will fight back. Doubt will come. Circumstances will scream impossible. When that happens, don't fight it. Simply return gently but firmly to your assumption. Every redirect makes the new consciousness stronger. Persist until the assumption hardens into fact. You are not a person trying to get something. You are infinite consciousness wearing temporary limitations. The impossible is not waiting for better conditions. It is waiting for you to assume it is already done. Find that buried desire tonight and dare to assume it is finished. Dare to persist. Dare to become the one for whom it is already true. Assume it is done. Good night, my friends. This is Neville Goddard. I'll see you in the next video.